3 reasons on why it's important to track your business expenses. Our mission is to help small business owners exactly like you. Please click the bell to subscribe so you're notified every time we produce our best pieces of content. And also, the more we get our message out to more business owners like you, the more people we can help. Please follow us today. Have you ever wondered why tracking expenses is a non-negotiable, or are you just putting this off? Have you ever wondered what impact this has on your business, as well as how much money is slipping through your fingers? Follow my video and I'll explain more. Tax deductions. No one likes to pay tax more than they need to. No one likes paying tax, but we all know it's necessary and we all know it helps our economy. But 2 areas to bear in mind with tax. One is VAT. If you're a VAT registered business and you've got expenses, to be able to claim the money back as a deduction, you need the VAT receipt. If you haven't got the VAT receipt to prove it, you cannot claim it. The end. So how many costs are going through your business and receipts are just going missing? Now it's okay to say, oh, it's just the 1, it's just the 2. But what about if them 2 was 2 a day? And what about if that equated to, I don't know, 20 a month? And what about over a year that equated to, say, 200? How many of them invoices going missing are coming out your personal bank account, or it's that you've never claimed at all, money gone, and how much VAT have you unclaimed? It's very little for little things to add up that then can become a significant amount of money. Because you wouldn't hold your wallet walking around the street letting money just fall out on the floor, would you? You'd have it nice and tight and you'd have it tied up. Now, while you can't physically see that money, it'll be less money you have to pay over on your VAT return, because then you can claim that additional money. And the same goes for corporation tax as well. If you haven't got the receipt, you shouldn't really be claiming it. So if you can't prove that it's a valid business expense that's holding exclusively for your business, in layman's terms, this is what you need to do your job, then if you haven't got the receipt, then it can be challengeable. So you need to make sure that you're keeping all of your receipts, because there could be one big black hole that would be a combination of lost, you're paying additional corporation tax and you're paying additional VAT when you don't need to. So how much money is slipping through your fingers within your business and could be in your company that could either give you more income or more investment in your business to grow further? Cash flow clarity. When you're managing a business, one of the second biggest, most important thing is cash flow, because without cash flow, you're going to be dead. So when you're looking at cash flow, you need to make sure all your receipts are on your system, and you've got a method where you're tracking your cash flow, or you can see what your accounts payable are, so you're paying people on time, but you're not also getting people to chase you where you go, oh damn, I didn't realise that invoice was outstanding, I've got to pay that as well. I haven't got quite the money in the bank because I thought my listing was this, but it was actually a lot bigger. When you're looking at business expenses, also think about your cash flow clarity, because there is nothing more draining, there is nothing more distracting, there is nothing more yuck than going, I don't know how I'm going to pay these bills. Please make sure you don't fall into that trap. Budgeting is massively important for a business owner, because you need a target to aim to. Otherwise, you're just drifting and you're just going along. We all need a budget. And if you don't have the proper amount of receipts going through your business, when you're comparing your budget to actuals, they are going to be rubbish, because they are just not going to be correct. So if you've got the true amount of business expenses that are going through your business on the right months, on the right quarters, you are going to give a better reflection of how you're going to get your numero uno, number 1 target, which is your net profit. So how much money is slipping through where you haven't got a complete handle on the numbers within your business and you're almost running it where it's in the dark. Analytics. So by having correct business expenses going through your business, you are going to be able to understand your profit and loss better, you're going to be able to understand your balance sheet better, and you're going to be able to understand your cash flow better. The more that you understand the business, the more that you can tweak it to make it better. And if everything is random and incomplete and it's a complete mess, you are not going to have a Scooby on what you need to do that will be the consistent right actions to allow you to then build your business further. Now, it sounds really basic just talking about business expenses, but if they're not in there, your profit is going to be wrong. Your profit is going to be overstated, and the only person you are lying to is yourself, and also you are wasting money in expenses going missing, VAT that you can't claim, and corporation tax that you can't claim as well at the same time. It's hard enough running a business without actually letting money slip through your fingers. So what can you do today to improve the processes, the systems, and the way that you organise your business so it flows through, so you're not wasting money, and ultimately you can see a true reflection on your P&L and or your scorecard on exactly how well your business is doing. If I could be of any help, please click the link below. I'll be happy to jump on a discovery call with you to take on board any questions. I hope to give you as much value as possible, and I promise there'll be no pushy sales pitch. We also have a range of webinars that are designed for small business owners exactly like you. Our main one is our business growth program, which you can either go from surviving to thriving, or you could be looking to scale. And this will be in layman's terms that allow bite-sized chunks where you can take tangible actions within your business. We also have another one called Exit Planning 101, which is how you can exit your business in the best lucrative way possible. So we'd love you to join us on our webinars. Please click the link below and sign up today.